Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another tutorial on how to do these clipboard embellishments. So I made something very similar for Janae, who is Happy Mail Obsessed here on YouTube and on Instagram. The other ones were way smaller. I think they were 1.5 by 2.5 or 2 by 3.5. I don't remember. They're the black chipboard clipboards from the Dollar Tree or from the dollar store. Unfortunately, my dollar store didn't have any more, so I did have this extra one. I think this is from Target or from my local dollar store. But if you guys could find the black chalkboard clipboards, go ahead and do so, just because they're like really tiny. So this video was requested by Poochie, who is Poochie Tats here on YouTube and on Instagram. So let's go ahead and do it. Make sure you guys have your hardware. Now the ones from the dollar store, I believe, are silver. I like to spray mine gold, just a personal choice. And the paint that we're going to be using is the Apple Barrel by Walmart. These are like 50 cents, and the color is Key West. And we're also going to be working with Garden Party paper today. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to go ahead and start painting. And I'm going to go ahead and jump into voiceover. So with this particular clipboard, I only had to do one layer of paint. With the chalkboard, I had to do two. So once it's dry, it's good to start embellishing. Okay, we're back. Well, I'm back. Okay, so I went ahead and did the sewing. I did 3 papers, and their sizes are 3.5 by 4. I did the top layer, and then I did a vellum. I do have the digital collection, so I printed it on vellum, and this one's the one that's slightly longer than the other ones, and you'll see why. And then I have the last paper here, and I only did a little bit of stitching right on top, and it's I can't remember, let's see, 1/4 what is this thing called, so it could fold, so it could easily fold. I forgot, you guys, sorry, I'm out of it. So let's go ahead. My glow gun's warming up, and we're gonna go ahead and start embellishing. Now we are going to go ahead and cut the second paper. We're going to cut it in a ribbon triangle. I forgot what it's called. You guys, every time I start filming, I completely blank out, so do not come after me. Now I can't even find the clip to this. All right, let's go ahead and cut this. And I am terrible at making this cut right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball it. And what I normally do is I'll go ahead and cut right in the middle. And you guys could see that I did a horrible job, but it is what it is. And we're just gonna go ahead and cut. And hopefully I'm frame. You can say it. So as you can see, it's still a little too long for my liking. So we have our second one, and the whole point about having either acetate, last time I did it with acetate, this time I did it with vellum because I did want it to use a collection. I'm running out of paper, you guys. You want the third paper showing just a little bit. And I was inspired by Amber, who is Bambi, go ahead and put her name, and Anne, who is Crafty Kimchi, or gosh, I always forget their names. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and start embellishing. And the reason why you have 3, it's because you are gonna add like small little embellishments to each paper. So, or like last time I added some bows. So we wanna go ahead and add our little clip. I know this has a name, something about a bull's eye something. I don't know the name of it. I already have some ephemera here. I pulled out. And you guys, this is all I have left. Like, that's it. I don't have anything else. And some stickers. This is the memory dex card that we worked on last time. I don't think I have uploaded that video yet, just because it's like 45 minutes long, so I'm still editing. But isn't it cute? It's super, super cute. Like, I would say. Anyways, again, I'm gonna start adding my stuff, and I'm gonna do a voiceover. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna go ahead and recycle, I guess, using this heart that it was cut out from the memory dex card that we did last time. And I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it down like I did. And then I'm gonna add this cute gold, what would you call this? Like a curtain die that I got from Allie. Everybody knows who recommended this. So kind of regret adding it, because at the end you can't really see it anymore. Even though I did add some glue foam dots to it so it could pop a little, but yeah, you can't see it towards the end. Okay, so I added also some of the pink tulle from Michaels. It has like holographic glitter dots all over it. I thought it was really cute. I am struggling a little because I don't have a lot of ephemera chipboard or anything like that anymore. So as you can see, I will be playing a lot with it. I even went far enough to go get my marigold collection, because I didn't have more flowers. Okay, so I finally made up my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and add this piece of ephemera. It's pink, and I added some this glue foams tabs to make it pop a little bit. And I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it down. I did some gold stitching at the bottom. Again, this is another piece that it won't really show. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my black and white rose. And when the glue is really hot, you could still move around your pieces. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that tiny little rose in pink, because I'm gonna go ahead and add the hand right in the middle. But before that, we're gonna go ahead and add some more of those little circle foam glue dots or foam tabs, I don't know, so we could make the hand pop a little bit. So okay, so right now I'm gonna add a gold ribbon die cut from Caves Crafts, and a sentiment from the collection, and had to glue it with actual glue because it wouldn't stick with the glue gun. So yeah, and right now I'm gonna also add some of this glue that I got from Martha's Creations, and I'm gonna add some of these gold diamond dots
the center of the rose, and I really love the way this looks. I'm also going to go ahead and add some stickles to the hand, and I think I used the colored unicorn, and I'm also going to add some nubo drops later on to the yellow flower. Okay, so here I am adding those stickles to the hand, and I'm adding them to the feathers. And then right here, I'm going to show you guys the color butterscotch. I did buy those nubo drops from Tara, who owns Urban Gems. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. But you can find those at her store. And what else am I going to do here? I'm just going to go ahead and add a pink rose, and I did glitter it up with some stickles, and yeah. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add this cute fly. I never thought I would use that sentence, cute fly, just because I thought I was missing something, and this is part of the collection.
All right, you guys, so this is what I came up with. This is the clipboard right here. This is the ephemera. I was a little struggling because I don't have much, and I don't know. You know, it's one of those days. All right, so what I wanted to show you guys, here, before I even showed you, let me get a close up. Oops, too close. But I did want to show you guys what I added here on top. So we have a white swan, and then we have this cute little teapot that I got from Allie, and it comes, I don't know if I ordered 2 or it's 20 pieces, but it's really cute. If you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and link it. So what I meant, sorry, you guys will hear my kids and my husband and everyone in the back. So what I suggest you guys doing here is adding like small little items. Like last time I added cute little tiny little bows. This time you guys could add, like, I don't have my glue dots. I don't even know where they are, to be honest with you guys. That would be one page, and then on the second page you will be adding like these cute little butterflies. These were crocheted by Andrea, who is Crafty Mom of 2. But yeah, so you will be doing something like this, and then you know, you have your second page here with your vellum, which I think this looks really cute right there. Maybe something like this, that way it's even out. And then your main paper in the front, you go ahead and add your label in the back, you know, handmade by you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Pucci, I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I can find my glue dots, because I really want to add these on here. And thank you so much for watching, you guys, and until the next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.